Hi, I'm Mel Pickup, Chief Executive of Bradford Teaching Hospitals, and welcome to this month's roundup of stories from across the Trust. We began the month by exploring our work with Generation Medics, a multi-award winning social enterprise whose online and in-person career support services are helping to inspire the next generation of healthcare professionals here in Bradford.
You can come from many different roles, from organisational to front of house, etc. There's a lot of different roles that people don't think of when it comes to healthcare.
But there's over 350 different roles, both clinical and non-clinical, within health and social care. There are some fantastic people who live maybe just on the doorstep of hospitals who would never consider applying. They'd be amazing at improving patient care for people. So that's young carers, that's people who have volunteering experience, and just helping people understand they can transfer those skills into health and social care. I never knew the role that I have today was available, and we're really supporting those people who perhaps wouldn't otherwise get access to these opportunities. So I find it incredibly fulfilling, and I'm really blessed to have thousands of healthcare professionals who also believe in the mission and want to see it grow.
This month we also heard from Dr Safina Haque, GP, and Dr Mayada Elsheikh, consultant in emergency medicine, about the importance of staying well this winter. Here's Dr Haque to tell us about the vaccinations available to ensure good health during the colder weather.
So over the winter months, we may still get the flu viruses and the COVID-19 virus. In most cases, this will be a mild illness. Vaccinations are still the best, safest way of boosting your immunity, but they also reduce the transmission of illness from one person to another person. We all need to work together to help reduce the spread of winter viruses. This will ultimately help to reduce pressures on primary care and hospital admissions.
In the winter, we find that in A&E, it's just full. When you're struggling to find a cubicle to see an unwell patient, it is demoralising. What we love doing in the NHS is providing quality care, and when we can't do that, we struggle. By getting your flu vaccination, you're not just helping yourself, you're helping other people.
The winter vaccines are available for adults aged 65 and over. They're also available for anyone from 6 months of age to 64 years of age, but with certain health conditions. Frontline healthcare workers and care home and social care workers are also eligible to have the vaccine. And in addition, we have women who are pregnant or breastfeeding. They can also have the vaccine. Look out for each other, look out for your neighbours, especially your elderly, family and relatives. You can look after yourselves at home. Increase your fluids, wrap up warm, getting medication over the counter, speaking to your local pharmacies as well, and you will get better with good care at home.
Thank you, Safina and Mayada. Finally, I was pleased to welcome Em Wilkinson-Brice, National Director for People at NHS England. She came to the Trust earlier this month to showcase the work that we have been doing as part of our role as a People Promise Exemplar site. I had the pleasure of showing Em around the Trust and introducing her to our people who are working hard to improve our colleagues' experiences in the workplace.
I think I will take away the energy. I've already felt it, the energy and the passion for this work. And I think it reinforces to me that the NHS is nothing without its people. So this focus on people that is very evident here in Bradford. You know, we can't deliver care to patients if we don't have motivated and valued and invested in people. So I think I'm going to take away a reinforcement of this work is really, really important and core to the business of the NHS.
Thank you, Em, and to all the people here at the Trust. Well, that's it for this month's update. I look forward to sharing more stories with you from the Trust next month. Don't forget, all our latest news and updates can be found on our social media channels, X, formerly known as Twitter, LinkedIn and Facebook.